7:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of Clinton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Clinton around 7:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Turkey. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.